Yeah, today is the 12th of January, Thursday. Got an AC man I've been friends with for 20 plus years maybe. He came by and gave me a hand on, actually he did majority of the work on mounting my little mini split heat pump. So here is the inside unit. A clean little installation, pretty simple, and real windy today, so you might not be able to hear me. Got leaves blowing around everywhere. This is the outside unit, of course, and I kind of like it here. Don't want it right next to the wall, of course. It won't work worth a damn. I don't want to be able to stand for it mounted on the wall. The copper lines are looped, and if you read the manual on the install, if you have to cut the lines, it decreases the efficiency of the unit. Whatever. So that's where that is. Easy to clean, good airflow. Nice clean install. You get something to go over the exit of the piping, drains, and cord out of the wall. Haven't quite figured the weatherhead of some type. And he was reaching for something and knocked my coffee cup off into my lunch bucket where I had my camera. And he is about mortified. And of course, when I turned it on, it did not function. So turned on the air compressor real quick and blew it out as best I could, then put it on the chair over here in front of that diesel fired heater and let it cook. About 7 foot from the output. Let it cook for 10 minutes and put it all back together, and lo and behold, it works. So nothing wrong with that. Obviously he didn't mean to do it and he felt terrible about it, but poop happens. I called about my mill this morning. Today was the ship date and it won't ship until April. And I told them find me something that will ship soon, and they're supposed to be getting back with me. They screwed the pooch. It did not check with their supplier, make sure things are available before they sell them. Global Industrial, it's a distributorship. So we'll see what they do to make it right. Already paid for it, kind of irritating. On the lathe, ordered some leveling feet from McMaster Car, and I'm just going to do it right. I have to go get some 3/4 all thread, some jam nuts, and when the feet come in, I'll do it the right way, be done with it. But it's a real nice lathe. So ordered some more tool holders today so I can set up like your end cutters and things, or excuse me, your parting cutter and things like that, and leave them set up. Knurling tool, just little stuff. The holders aren't very expensive at all. Ordered some proper cutting fluid for the tank. It'll be here in a few days. And electricians will be back on Tuesday, 9 o'clock in the morning, to wire up the heat pump and the lathe. Might have it all leveled up by Tuesday, might not. But we can put it under power as soon as we can. Won't hurt nothing. It's level enough, it won't hurt the sumps. So I need to finish painting my back wall, and that's about it. Hopefully the seals come in for my lift cylinders on the fork truck, so I can get Joe, my fork truck man, known him for decades too, get him back out here. He already did an eval on it. He really likes the machine. And we'll do fluid changes and fix the lift cylinders, filter changes, of course. Might stretch out in 2 days, you just never know. So anyway, Hopefully this thing will download, and that's all for this one. Thank you.